Hi, in the latest release of Xcode and SwiftUI, that is Xcode 14 and SwiftUI 4, Apple has released a new framework called SwiftCharts. SwiftCharts allows you to create beautiful and interactive data visualizations for your apps. In this video, we take a look at how to get started. I have already created a SwiftUI project. So let's add a new Swift file and get started creating the chart. I will click on the SwiftUI app and control-click again and choose New File. Then I'll select SwiftUI file and Next. I'm going to name the file SwiftCharts Getting Started and click Create. You can add a chart to any SwiftUI view. So to do that, we need to import charts. Next, we can create the chart using a closure. So I'm going to remove the text and put chart. Now we have an empty chart. What we have to do next is to define what type of chart we want to create. There are several kinds of charts, such as line chart, bar chart, point chart, or area chart. So let's begin by adding a line chart. In SwiftUI, this is called line mark, followed by parentheses. In the parentheses, we need to specify the X and Y coordinates that will define the height of the line mark as well as the position. So the first one is the X coordinate. With this, we are going to use .value. Using .value means we are not specifying the exact height or the exact position of the mark. So for this line chart, we need the name of the chart on the x-axis. So that is a string. So I'm going to put here a name. So the value for the name will be chat messaging. That is also a string. Next, we need to enter the y coordinate as well. So let's copy the x coordinate and change it to y. Let's change the name to sales. Then we will change the value of the sales to an integer, for example, 916. That creates 1 point of the line mark. So let's copy the line mark again and paste it here. For this, we will change the name to activity feeds. Then we change the sales value to 850. You can now see we have drawn the line mark on the screen. Let's add padding to the chart. Once you draw the line mark, you can easily change it to other types of marks in SwiftUI. For example, if we want this in the form of a bar chart, we can change this from line mark to bar mark. Also, we can change it from a bar mark to a point mark. Or even if we prefer an area mark, we can change it to that. Let's undo the change so that we have a bar mark. So this is how to construct your first chart using SwiftCharts. For a real application, you may need to use data stored in a data source. So this playlist is dedicated to working with SwiftCharts. So in every week, I will release a new video. So I encourage you to subscribe to this playlist and check back each week for a new video covering SwiftCharts. Thanks for watching.